In today's video, I'm going to show you how to re-add removed users on a Telegram channel using Telegram Desktop on your PC. This is a simple process and it's especially useful if you accidentally removed someone or if you just need to add a user back into your channel quickly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram Desktop app on your PC. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your channels. Once Telegram opens, look through your list of chats and click on the channel where you want to re-add a user. This will open the main chat window for that channel. Now, at the top of the screen, click on the channel name or the profile picture. This is an important step because it opens the channel info panel where all of your channel settings and subscriber options are located. Once the info panel opens, take a moment to check that you're in the correct channel before moving forward. Next, look for the Add Member icon next to the Subscribers section. This icon is what you'll use to invite or re-add a user to the channel. Click on it, and Telegram will show you a list of users or contacts you can add. If the person you want is in your contacts or available in the list, select their name carefully. After selecting the user, click Add to confirm. Telegram will then re-add that user to the channel, and they should appear as a member again. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully re-added a removed user on Telegram channel using the desktop app. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear and easy Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.